I am a teacher. When I say this, it is like I am saying I am human. It's not what I do, it's what I am. I am a teacher and a keeper of mysteries. You seek knowledge and power, truth, light, happiness. I'm very happy to add you in your search. Yes, I am a teacher. My profession is only profession where you steal things from home and bring them to your workplace. I do very small things, yet most important. I silently correct your grammars. Your solution can anytime be marked wrong, just to tell you where you went wrong. I tell you that you won't get hurt by sunlight, but a laser light may hurt you. I told you that your first God is your parent, and I am the one who told you about Lord Krishna. I don't need any cape, as I am already lifted by amazing, inspiring students I teach. I can't say I am a superhero, but I am more than that. I am a teacher. I can motivate my students when they are in the list of underperforming. Yes, I can deal with parents and peers group as well. I keep on taking classes 5 to 6 hours per day without giving rest to my feet, my hands, or my voice. Have you ever seen how many roles do I play per day? When I was used to take classes earlier on the board, now I am teaching my students remotely. Have you ever tried to think about the problem which I might be facing during these days? Still, I am doing my work. I already have lost my only phone as it started showing up some bugs due to continue overwork on particular application. Though I got a new phone, I took money from my mom, my wife, or maybe from my son just to perform my duties uninterrupted. And see, some of the students makes fun of me just because I don't know much about online things and the technologies these days. Yet I keep a smile on my face and give shape to the future of nation. I don't know how much groceries are left in my kitchen. It's been 3 months since I bought some groceries from market. Cause I'm not getting paid nowadays due to this lockdown. I never asked for my payment to the respective authorities. Maybe it is because I have been raised in an environment where I was taught only to give, not to ask. I'm not earning anything for my kid now. Still, I'm working for others' kids. Your kid studies and then my kid gets enough food for his growth, proper growth at the younger age. Your kid makes homework and my kid gets smile on his face. Maybe there is some unauthorized bugs came in between you and me. If it is my fault, go ahead, hold the hammer. But I don't think this is the mistake of my family. From any side of any circumstances. Why don't I get return of my work when everyone else is getting what they are supposed to get, particularly from me? Yes, I am a teacher, and now my inception of gratitude, genuine personality, and kingly giving nature has been broken. Yes, I am a teacher and I am tired now. Don't come to hold my hand now, and I promise I won't let my hands go off ever from my students, ever and ever and ever, because I am a teacher. Yes.